that used fridge is not always sold at your own risk. In Colombia, the warranty depends on who sold it to you. Here is the clean rule. If you buy a used phone, washer, fridge, or laptop from a store, repair shop, resale business, or professional seller, that is usually a consumer relationship. Under Colombia's consumer statute, used products normally carry a 3-month legal warranty when the seller does not clearly give another term. Can a business sell it with no warranty? Yes, but not with a tiny sign that says no changes, no warranty. They have to tell you clearly, and you have to accept that condition expressly and in writing. If that written acceptance is missing, the 3-month warranty is the starting point. There is one fair exception. If the invoice or listing says the washing machine has a scratched door or the phone screen is cracked and you accept that, you cannot lay a claim for that known defect. But if the motor, battery, board, or pump fails and that problem was not disclosed, the warranty question is still alive. Private sales are different. If you buy from a neighbor or a normal person on a marketplace, the SIC consumer claim is usually not the right path. That sale is handled under civil rules, especially for hidden serious defects that existed before the sale. For sellers, transparency is protection. Photograph the item, mention every noise, dent, repair, missing part, and say what you tested. If you bought from a business and the item fails, start with a written claim. Include the purchase date, the failure, photos or video, and what you want: repair, replacement, or refund. The seller has 15 business days to respond. If they ignore you, use a consumer protection action if you want your money or the product fixed. A complaint may lead to investigation or fines, but it does not automatically pay you. For the full guide on used product warranties in Colombia, go to colombiamove.com.